Here is how we can decrease the font size on the Apple Watch. Let me talk about it and explain how it could work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. Okay, so the font size is something which can be managed either on the watch, but I like to go and grab the iPhone that is paired to the Apple Watch, and in there I like to go to the Watch app where you get to manage all of the settings for it, but basically just find display and brightness. And this is what you need to control. I would say that there are two main toggles. The first one is bold text because it doesn't really change the size of the text, but when it's bolder, it's much thicker and it might give the impression that it's larger. So if you want to make it less prominent, then turn off the bold text. But most importantly, above it we have the text size slider. If you slide it to the right, the text is going to get larger, and similarly when you go to the left, it's going to get smaller. So it is up to you. You can make it go all the way to the left if it's going to be good enough for you. So that is obviously according to your preference, but I just wanted to show you where you can find it. I hope that I was able to guide you through it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads and similar videos like this. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.